I got you some. Ito pala free din ng pilot ulit. Mobile pencil. I got you some. Ano naman is this? This looks bossy.
They have Powerpuff Girls.
Thank you po. This looks bossy, my God. Thank you po. Medyo may pagka-hojit siya.
Wait, organize muna natin. Para we know it's ours and yung hiniram. Ito yung hiniram. Hiniram to.
This is ours, syempre, yung status. Ito atin. Kasi parang nakalil.
Secret priorities.
Ano sabi mo?
Ang creepy na siya. Para siyang horror. Alam mo yung mga CR sa horror thing. Parang backrooms yung type niya.
Yeah.
Pero color red.
What Y2K trend you wish could have
Hello, you want
stayed
these two or those
today?
two? I will move.
One will message.
Hindi mo pa na-try mag-friends dahil tapos mag-ganyan. Ganyan nga yung phone ko na yung bata.
Na-try ko na yung ganyang phone, pero itong Friendster, ito iba hindi.
Para din siyang Facebook pero mas ano lang, mas graphically pleasing lang ang Facebook at that time.
Eh, wala strict parents ko eh.
Strict parents mo.
Nag-i-enjoy ba kayo?
Yes!
Activity at 3 p.m. Okay? And then we'll start our
And staying quiet is a virtue. We suppress, we hold back. We take all our big, fierce, audacious dreams and lock it inside our journals. The journal becomes the only place that we can confess or be real about, what our fears are, what our dreams are. We shrink because we don't want to disrupt the peace. We dim our lights so that other people can shine. Bakit ka nga ba nahihiya? Forgive yourself and move on. Nanahimik ka na lang. That's the hiya filter. That's the hiya filter stopping you from living your authentic life. Sa Americans, if you don't pay my bills, you don't have a say in my life. Girl, kailan mo pa kakayanin? This is the time. That is why a journal social club is so powerful because it's just there for you. Sure, there are other social clubs where you can just hang out and but kasi may mga intentional journal prompts where there's gonna be a mental rewiring kaagad. It has a lot of benefits for your mind and body. Hiya isn't humility, ha? It's fear wrapped up as good manners. Your hiya is ruining your life. And your journal is the one place where the hiya filter cannot breathe. The end goal is to be the best that you can be by getting rid of negative beliefs. Let the journal be your place to reset, pero sa totoong buhay, that's where you show up. Show up loud, clear, and completely unfiltered. Happy first anniversary, JSP. Ako po ay si Eileen Manawis, your life transformational coach, tita. Good afternoon. Please watch out for a podcast. If you want talks like this, I will be coming up with podcasts soon. Thank you.
Okay, ready na ba kayo para sa raffle? Ang raffle natin na pilot, third space, cafe vouchers, 5 Hachi discount vouchers, 3 Hiraya Cafe discount vouchers, 1 Belfry Spa voucher, 2 Hoga Library Cafe vouchers, 2 drinks vouchers, 2 Yetown vouchers, 1,000 pesos each, 2 Story candles, 1 The Grounds voucher, cash prize, 1 Touche Cafe voucher, this is 1,000 pesos. Full disclosure, lahat kayo mananalo, walang uuwing lukaan.
Pilot kit.
Jemima! Pilot kit? Ethan! The third is from third space with a pilot kit. Hachi Ramen and Coffee. Kay! Nasan ka? Alea! Sam! One from Story Candle and ipamimigay na namin yung worth 1,000 pesos na voucher from Touche Cafe. Roxanne! Ate Roxy! Sorry ate. Okay, ready na ba kayo sa 1,000 peso worth of voucher? Mabel!
My eyes actually hurt trying to do this. My eyes hurt trying to do this.
Pag nakita nyo, sigaw kayo ng bingo. Okay? Our first winner. Okay, Azrael, halika na dito. Okay, verify muna natin. Okay, we have one winner. Congratulations, Sam. Oh, wait lang. A voucher from Hachi Ramen and Coffee and pilot kit goes to So. Another winner for Hachi, Diana. For Hachi, Coffee and Ramen, Mana. We still need 7 winners. Jano nalo ng voucher from B1 Cafe and a pilot kit. Jenica, where are you? Third space pa rin. Noemi, where are you? Miss Aileen! 1 voucher for the Belfry Spa. Isaiah! Next one is from Story Candle. Jonica! Gift certificate from the Grounds Cafe in La Trinidad. Jezreel, where are you? Ngayon may mananalo ng gift voucher dyan lang sa Yaletown, dito sa taas. Of gift certificate for Yaletown Cafe worth 1,000 pesos. Ezra and Corinne. So, as it turns out, may 5 winners pa. First winner is Doc Kim. Next winner is Lexi. Where's Haley? 2 gift cards at isang library subscription. Chloe Elaine. Karina. Melanie. Start in 3, 2, 1. You may start. Okay, first winner, Kim. Princy. Zasrel. Alea. And for the first year anniversary recognition awards. The award is nagdala ng journal, hindi nagsulat award. fun lang po ito ha. Hindi po ito in a negative way, positive way po ang awards na ito. May existential crisis pero aesthetic award. Danny. Magjo-journal lang ako saglit award. Seska. Certified main character ng Journal Social Bagyo. Jazz. Okay, pilot kit. Fritzy! Hakot award din si Fritzy. Mitzi, where are you? Over there.
Here you go. Congratulations. Thank you.
A discount voucher from Third Space B1. Sheila. Another winner for B1. Discount voucher from one of our sponsors. Roxy. Another discount voucher with pilot kits. Patricia. Okay. 5 winner ng Hachi discount vouchers. Francesca Tan. Kim, where are you? There you go. Christian, where are you, Christian? Congratulations!
So yung lalagyan na lang natin na.
And the next, still the winner of Hachi Coffee and Ramen, Kathleen. Where are you, Kathleen? Kayla! From one of our sponsors, Hiraya Cafe. May mananalo ng tote bag at may mananalo ng 2 discount vouchers. Rick, where are you, Rick? Jerica! Mars! Of Belfray Spa voucher is Eliza Faye. Is Jadi, where are you? Huga Library Cafe. Tyra! Frances, where are you, Frances? A drink at Huga Library Cafe. The winner is Kyla. This is a gift voucher worth 1,000 pesos from Yale Town Cafe. Isha May, where are you? Okay, 3 gift from Story Candle. Alexandra. Colleen. Seska.
Do we swap bracelets?
Basta ka din